Welcome to my channel. This is your girl D. Jeudi à moi venir avec un vraiment special vidéo pour vous. I've been planning on making this video for you guys for the longest. Finally, I'm done with it and I'm very happy with it so far. I don't think I'll be changing anything for now. Ok, on commence. Sin dream sa, moi jwenni nan Dollar Tree. Ok, moi pa fe an la dan, moi kite li jam jwenni. I think it was just perfect as it is for her room. Dresse sa moi achete li nan Goodwill, moi repentire li, moi fe li look pi fresh. Pour m'dou vérité, moi te jwenn dresse a nan bon kondisyon, simplement sel sa m'fè, moi just repentire li, et puis that's it. It looks as good as the one that you'll get from Cham Bebe for over $1,000. And I only have it for $50. And the topper was a gift from her godmother. This little basket, I got it from TJmaxx. I thought it would be so much easier if we have diaper ready to go. So I thought it was a nice touch to have some diapers ready when we're changing her. And yeah. The changing pad, I had it for Derek. Now I don't use it anymore. Now he's a big boy. I use it for her now. And the cover, I got it from Amazon. So it's unicorn, it's nice, it's very soft. I like it and it goes perfectly with the room. Diaper garbage là, c'est un bagay moi te ki ta gen déjà. Mais wasa, moi acheté li nan TJmaxx. Moi pa kwe li an pil l'argent, moi kwe li an ba $20. So I love it. I think it was a nice touch to the room. And ti tonton sa na gade la, moi te jwenn yo nan dra yo, et puis m'pense la te belle pour m'te mette lan lè la comme ça, et puis chèvre là, li vini kon sa, set 2 m'achete li nan Walmart, et puis green plant yo m'achete yo nan Dollar Tree. Et puis flèche sa ki sou kote là, c'est moi qui fait li, et puis frame ça qui gen photo là dans pendant te nan vente, m'achete li nan 10 days discount. For this bowl holder, I did it myself, and I have the video here on YouTube. If you haven't checked it out, go check it out. Yeah, moi te décidé faire bowl holder parce que moi il t'a vraiment easy pour ma rim, pour la mettre là tout petit là, et puis di ka ouais qui beau pour mettre dans tête li. So yeah, I'm just trying to make it easy for everybody because I'll not be the only one using this thing. So the crown, m'achete pa mwen an Amazon, mais ou ka jwenni son bati l'autre website mwen wè li. Même wè li nan Walmart, mais faut ou achete li online. Berceau c'était pour Derek, moi simplement repentire li, même couleur ensemble avec dresser. Et puis panier tout, c'est un panier moi acheté long time ago. I can't even remember where I got it from. And crib sheet là, li c'est Amazon, moi acheté li nan Amazon. Presque tout bagay ki nan chambre ça m'acheté nan Amazon, TJmaxx, Marshall, was like tout shop qui discount yo avant moi l'acheter dans l'autre shop. Si m'pa jwenni m'a l'acheter dans l'autre plus gros shop. For the baby mobile, I have a video on it step by step. If you haven't watched it, go check it out. Et puis rideau blanc ça yo, c'est moi qui acheté yo nan Walmart, and just mette nan corner so that way it save me some time. Et then ça c'est même flowers ça moi te montre noir, moi te gen depuis au commencement vidéo. C'est même reste yo, c'est moi qui fait ça, moi pas de chance pour me faire une vidéo sur lui. If you would like for me to do a video for the flowers, you could just let me know down below. I'll do it for y'all. You know, I love you guys. This chair was a gift for my husband. I believe he got it from Target. I love it. It's very comfortable, so I get to be like more comfortable when I'm breastfeeding. The little basket in the ottoman, the coffee table, this is my section right here. The tables that I was already have before, so I'm using it for her room for now, and everything else I got it from Marshall and TJmaxx. And I put some blankets in the basket so that just in case I got cold in the middle of the night or in the morning, too early in the morning. So this is my area right here. I love it. I'm very comfortable. Tabla se bagay mwen te gitan gen deja, lamp lan, Marshall, fleur Marshall, rideau Burlington. I got it from Burlington. I love it. Carpet la mwen achete li nan Burlington. Canopy I'm achete li nan Amazon. The horse is from Marshall, and the pillows are from the TJmaxx, and the fur is from Burlington. And that's it. When I turn off the light, this is how it looks like. I have fairy lights on. As soon as she turns 6 months, there's a lot of things I want to change just because for the safety. So, but for now, I'm loving it. It's very comfortable. So thank you for watching. Let me know what you think down below.